Earlier this week, University of Maine researchers identified the invasion of the Asian longhorned tick in Maine for the first time.
The tick, known to rapidly multiply, was discovered in Cumberland County and is known to feed on a wide range of hosts, including livestock and humans. However, it is currently unknown whether this tick species carries Lyme and other diseases found in deer ticks.
News Center Maine's Vivian Lee shares how public health officials are increasing their monitoring and encouraging people to protect themselves.
The Asian longhorned tick was first discovered in the U.S. 8 years ago and has since been found in over 20 states, most recently in Maine. Griffin Dill directs the UMaine Tick Lab.
This particular specimen was actually found in a residential neighborhood. Just someone outside in their backyard had returned indoors and found the tick.
The brown sesame seed-sized tick was found in Cumberland County. No more ticks were found nearby. This species multiplies quickly. Female ticks can lay eggs without mating, which is unusual for ticks in North America. According to Dill, longhorned ticks can cause heavy infestations on one animal, leading to serious blood loss in livestock and wildlife.
Our moose population is suffering from infestations of winter tick. And then if you add in the potential for this kind of second potential threat related to the Asian longhorn tick, then we could certainly see some real devastating consequences.
One of the biggest questions researchers are asking about longhorned ticks is how much of a threat they pose to humans. Past research in Asia has found that longhorned ticks can carry various pathogens that affect human health. However, according to the USDA, pathogens that cause Lyme disease and other tick-borne illness have not been found in the longhorned tick in the U.S. Dr. Scott Melton specializes in infectious diseases at Northern Light Infectious Disease Care.
As far as in the U.S., it only affects livestock, and I'm glad that there are people looking for this, but I don't think it's an issue as of yet. We'll have to do some more surveillance.
But this invasive tick can spread Powassan virus, which can cause serious brain problems, alpha-gal syndrome, which can trigger a serious red meat allergy, and Rocky Mountain spotted fever. It can also carry germs that cause filaria, which may lead to anemia, fever, and sometimes death in livestock.
We're going to listen to you.
Dr. Kate Domenico, former president of the Maine Veterinary Medical Association, advises pet owners to check their animals for ticks frequently. She recommends using prescription flea and tick preventatives from vets for both livestock and pets. People who spend time outdoors should do regular tick checks, use a strong repellent, and wear protective clothing. Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
If you find an unusual looking tick or you suspect an infestation, you are encouraged to report it to the Department of Agriculture, Conservation and Forestry. You can also send your tick sample to the UMaine Tick Lab.